In the heart of Florida, nestled within the magical bounds of Walt Disney World, an event unfolds each autumn that casts a spell of enchantment and wonder in the air. Welcome to Mickey's Not-So-Scary Halloween Party, a celebration where the delightful and the spooky intertwine seamlessly, creating an unforgettable experience for attendees of all ages. As the sun dips below the horizon and twilight envelops the Magic Kingdom, the park undergoes a transformation. Friendly faces don costumes ranging from the whimsical to the eerie, embarking on an evening where imagination knows no bounds. But fear not, for as the name suggests, this Halloween fete is as much about smiles and laughter as it is about ghosts and goblins. Upon entering, guests are greeted with an atmosphere brimming with festivity. Orange and black decorations line Main Street, USA, and pumpkins are intricately carved to portray the beloved, characters that have won our hearts over the decades. Even the iconic Cinderella Castle dons a spectral glow, casting its spellbinding reflection into the eyes of every onlooker. The event invites you to indulge in an array of exclusive treats, from sweet, sticky candy corn to pumpkin-flavored delights. The culinary creations are as imaginative as they are mouthwatering. Trick-or-treating stations are scattered across the park, where children and adults alike can collect an assortment of candies, making this night sweet in every sense of the word. As the night deepens, the entertainment takes center stage. Mickey's Boo-to-You Halloween Parade is a highlight, with floats that showcase characters both familiar and rare. The parade is a dance of color and sound, a procession where Disney's beloved heroes and mischievous villains come alive, captivating audiences with their playful antics. The festivities reach a crescendo as the clock strikes 9. It's time for the Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular, where the Sanderson sisters from the classic film Hocus Pocus conjure a spellbinding show alongside Disney villains who revel in the spirit of Halloween. The show's blend of music, magic, and mischief is a spectacle that leaves guests entranced, much like the witches themselves. Yet the night would be incomplete without turning our gaze upwards. The HalloWishes Fireworks display takes the night to new heights, as the night sky bursts with colors that dance to the soundtrack of Halloween tunes. It's a grand finale that echoes with the spurt of jubilation and marvel. In conclusion, Mickey's Not-So-Scary Halloween Party is more than just an event. It's a journey into the heart of Disney's imagination. It's a night where the lines between the real and the imagined blur, where the children and adults alike can revel in the joy of Halloween. The celebration is a testament to Disney's magic, a place where memories are crafted under the starlit canopy, as magical as the first whisper of twilight. Whether you're a seasoned visitor or a first-time guest, the experience is sure to leave you with a heart full of joy and a mind brimming with tales of adventure and wonder.